Hi, and welcome to another presentation from your business tutor, learning your way, anytime, anywhere. Selling a product is not easy, but if a business better understands its customers and what factors influence their purchasing decisions, it will have a better chance. So with that, let's turn to today's presentation on the marketing mix. Okay, so what are we going to learn in today's presentation? Well, first of all, we're going to find out what the marketing mix is. Then we're going to investigate the different elements of the marketing mix. Okay, let's get started by asking, what is the marketing mix? People who are not in business or those with no experience of marketing often believe that a customer's decision to purchase a product is a fairly simple one. Whilst this is completely understandable, it ignores the fact that in reality a number of different factors impact and influence a customer's decision to purchase a product. Given this, those in marketing have realised that if they are to be successful, they must offer products which meet customers' needs and persuade them to purchase. This, therefore, is where the marketing mix comes into play, as it describes the main factors which a business uses to influence the purchasing decision a customer makes. Those factors being the 4 P's of the marketing mix, which are product, price, place, and promotion. Furthermore, and as will become clear as we explore marketing in more detail, only when a business gets these 4 elements right for the customers they are targeting will they achieve high sales and profits. Okay, let's find out what each element is by first asking, what is the product element of the marketing mix? When we talk about the product element of the marketing mix, we're referring to the actual good or service that a business sells to its customers. In other words, we are talking about all the different features which, when combined together, create the product element. This is an important point because what it tells us is that the product element includes such things as the packaging, the design, the taste, smell, weight, size and colour of the product, as well as its functionality and the raw materials used to make it. For example, when it comes to a food item, a business will put a lot of effort into making sure the taste, smell and look of the product appeals to customers. Okay, let's now turn to find out what the price element of the marketing mix is. Price is the amount a business charges a customer to purchase their product. As such, it is the element of the marketing mix that puts an actual value on a product being sold. Given this, it is really important that a business gets its price right, because if it sells it too high, no one will buy its product. But equally, if it sets its price too low, it won't earn enough to cover its costs. What this shows is that when setting the price of a product, a business must choose a point somewhere between these maximum and minimum limits. Okay, let's now find out what the place element of the marketing mix is. The place element of the marketing mix describes from where a product is sold, but also how that product is delivered and distributed. In other words, the place element is about making sure that a product is available in the right locations at the right times so that customers can purchase. This is a really important point, as what it stresses is that convenience is a crucial aspect in a customer's purchasing decision. As such, if the place element can be designed in a way that makes it easy for a customer to purchase a product, a business has a much better chance of achieving high sales. This is why, when contemplating from where to sell its product, a business will not only consider a shop, but will also look at the value of using an e-commerce internet site, a mail order catalogue, a vending machine, an auction, a TV shopping channel, as well as a salesperson selling door to door. Okay, let's now turn to the final element by asking, what is the promotion element of the marketing mix? The promotion element of the marketing mix describes how a business informs and tells its customers about its products in order that they are persuaded and convinced to purchase them. In other words, promotion is about communicating with customers in an effective and an exciting way that influences their choices and hence their purchasing decisions. This is a vital point, as what it demonstrates is that products don't sell themselves. It doesn't matter if a product is the best in the market. If it is promoted badly and no one is persuaded to buy, it will fail. This is why creating an effective promotion strategy that uses such things as adverts, special offers and product endorsements are so important. Because if a business can persuade customers its products are better than its competitors, it will achieve high sales and be successful. Okay, so what did we learn in this presentation? Well, first of all, we found out what the marketing mix is, and then we went on to investigate the different elements of the marketing mix. If there is one concept in marketing from which everything else stems, then the marketing mix would be that. The 4 P's, product, price, place and promotion, as we will find out, are the cornerstones of successful marketing. Because if a business manages to get them right, high sales and profits will be achieved.